Continuing from our previous tutorial on probation, let's get started with Part 3, where we'll cover extended probation and confirmation of probation. Extended probation refers to extending the probation period beyond the initial duration, giving the employee additional time to meet the required performance standards. First, navigate to Manage Employees and click on Employee List. Then, select the name of the employee you want to work on. The Employee Details page will appear, displaying the employee's information, including the date of appointment, probation period, and last date of probation, entered during the initial employee setup. A note next to the last date of probation will indicate that the employee's status is currently marked as Probation Ongoing. This status needs to be updated to reflect the extension of the employee's probationary period. Next, click on the Probation tab to update the employee's probation status. The probation page will display details such as the number of probation months, the last date of probation, and the probation activity log. There are 4 action buttons available to update the probation status: Early Probation, Extend Probation, Fail Probation, and Confirm Probation. Since the employee has been granted an extension to further demonstrate their performance during probation, click the blue Extend Probation button to update their status. A notification will appear, allowing you to revise the last date of the employee's probation. Enter a new date that is later than the original end date to reflect the extension. Click the blue Yes, Update New Date button to confirm and save the revised probation end date. The probation page will be updated to reflect the new probation end date. Then return to the Employee Details section, where you'll see that the probation status has been updated to Probation Extended. Next, let's walk through the process of confirming an employee after they have successfully completed their probation. It is the formal acknowledgement that an employee has successfully completed their probationary period, having met the required performance standards and expectations. Whether the employee completed probation early or after an extension, their status must be updated accordingly once the probation period is successfully completed. First, navigate to the employee's probation page and click the blue Confirm Probation button. A confirmation notification will appear. Click Yes, Passed Probation, Employment Confirmed to finalize the employee's successful completion of probation. The probation page will display a remark indicating the confirmation date by the user, while the probation end date remains unchanged from the previous update. The probation activity log will also reflect the confirmation date. Return to the Employee Details section, where you'll now see that the probation status has been updated to Confirmed. And that brings us to the end of the probation tutorial. Thank you for watching.